Hey guys, so I'm going to review your romantic poetry assignment again, just in case you need any of that information moving forward. So you're going to find your assigned poem on the Padlet. Then you're going to read that poem. And just exactly like I did in the Thanatopsis example that I did in class, you're going to provide a 5-sentence summary of the plot of the poem. You're going to be able to say, this sentence addresses these lines in the poem, this sentence addresses these lines in the poem, this sentence addresses these lines in the poem, but you get a max of 5 sentences. I do not want a sentence by sentence, one sentence for every line explanation of the poem. Max 5 sentences. Then you are going to locate 2 pieces of text, and they are going to do any combination of these things that you see here. So it's either going to be 2 pieces of text that manifest the romantic idea of finding solace in nature, right? Looking to nature for comfort, nature offering some kind of reprieve from something, or the manifestation of the romantic idea of mutability, that philosophy that the quest for material possessions and earthly power is a useless quest, because in 200 years you will be dead and people will not be remembering how much material possessions you had. They will remember what kind of person you are, and that the kind of person that you are is significantly more important than the kinds of things that you have. So you may choose 2 pieces of text that manifest solace in nature. You may do 2 pieces of text that manifest mutability. You may do 1 piece of text that is solace in nature and 1 piece of text that's mutability, whatever is going to be the best and easiest for you to articulate. You will find the poems in order in the rest of this document. So To a Waterfowl, Old Ironsides, and A Psalm of Life we're going to talk about on Thursday. And then The Cross of Snow, The Tide Rises, The Tide Falls, and The First Snowfall we will talk about on Friday. Please make sure that you are posting to the correct place in the Padlet, and there will be another video just below here that will help you know how to do that in case you need some support with that.